Alrighty, NT8 on the porch. This is my field cheer jacket, and what I wanted to show you is I cut the carpet side of the tape off of the Velcro, and if you go to do this, make sure you use a an X-Acto knife. I use just a regular razor blade, and I'll show you why here in a minute. But so I've got the new Velcro ready to go, and it's the sticky back. So I'll peel that off, put it in place. Then I'm going to sew that on, and I already tested the hook side. The hook side is good. Now, the reason you want to use an X-Acto knife, so you don't nick your fabric like I did right here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew this on, and alright, back on the porch. Got it sewn on. Working quite well. But hey, if you want to listen to the Ling Ling boys, I mean the Buckeye twats, no, I mean the Buckeye fucks, no, oh yeah, them Buckeye boys. Go ahead and try Gorilla Glue, but it ain't gonna work. But yeah. The Brother LX 2500. Now all I got left to do is replace this collar piece. Luckily, what has failed on this jacket has been the carpet side of the Velcro. The hook side, I'm sure, is probably going to be a lot more difficult, but I don't have to replace it, so. Alright, NT8 on the porch. More fixes. Without Gorilla Glue from the Ling Ling boys and that friggin' Friday show and the Buckeye Boy Music channel. Bullshit. I think I'm gonna puke.